kind of shape na gusto natin. May it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug. Cylinder.
Pwede natin itong travel motor.
Magulat ako. Kala ko ano.
Saan?
Pa-picture tayo sa ano.
Okay, picture tayo lahat. Tapos, pag-picture na, bilhin mo ko.
Saan?
Ikaw, doon?
Hindi ko nakitang restaurant.
Hindi na tayo magaganon.
Ano naman? Lamig.
Good morning, baby ko.
Dito dapat makita.
Ay, Ingrid, sumigaw ka na. Mamaya, sumigaw ka muna.
Yung nandito. Sa may paksa.
I'm centering the clay with pressure from my both hands and I have to go with the speed of the wheel. Bago tayo makagawa ng any kind of shape na gusto natin, may it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug, cylinder pa po muna ang unang-unang gagawin for that's the basic shape. To do the cylinder, we put the hole in the middle, widen the hole by slowly pulling the clay towards the side. Dito naman po, with controlled pressure from my both hands, I'm going to compress the clay together and then slowly pull it up to the tip of the clay. One more time, my hand should be the one controlling the clay and not the clay controlling my hands. Whenever I pull it up, I have to do it gradually to maintain the centerness and for it not to collapse. So this is our cylinder. Ito pwede na itong maging pot. But we are going to reshape this for us to see how far the clay goes. Kaya ang gagawin ko, here at the very bottom of the clay, I'm going to slowly push it outwards. While pushing, I'm pulling my hands up. I'm supporting my left hand with my right hand outside. Here in the middle, I'm pushing it inwards, slowly pulling it up, supporting my right hand with my left hand inside. Then I'm going to push it outwards at the top para makagawa tayo ng flower vase. At pwede pa po natin siyang pa-sexihin ng konti here at the very middle to enhance the shape if needed be by slowly pushing it in while pulling the clay up to the top. At kung gusto naman natin itong maging water container, lalagyan lang po natin ng muso na ganyan. So, ang ginagawa namin dito, ini-air dry namin siya for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, kapag leather dry na po siya, we come back, trim the bottom, then we put a handle on it. That's the time din na maglagay kami ng any kind of decorations that we want to enhance the beauty. And then i-air dry